You always look for a kitchen companion that efficiently handles your daily chores. Presenting the Kent TrueMix Mixer Grinder, a true mix of power and style that comes in two attractive black or white colors. With a powerful 750-watt motor, Kent TrueMix comes with a 3-speed option and a pulse function for different operations that makes TrueMix an extremely versatile appliance. It has 3 robust stainless steel jars of 1.5 liters for wet blending, 1 liter dry grinding jar, and a 400-gram jar for making those tangy, spicy chutneys. It also has an auto switch-off function that shuts off the motor in case of overheating, making it an extremely user-friendly and safe device. And above all, Kent TrueMix comes with a 2-year warranty on the product and 5-year warranty on motor to give you total peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Order Kent TrueMix today and become a smart chef for your family. Kent, trusted by millions.